walking along the path here from Dunseverick again. We're going back towards White Park Bay and Ballintoy direction. We're not far from Dunseverick. It's very busy along the coast today. I had intended to go to another spot, but there's just so many people there. It's just going to be very crowded. I'd be shy a wee bit. It's not easy to chat to yourself on a video camera with lots of people watching. So we're down here to see if we can see down this way. I'm not sure, the coastline's lovely here, wouldn't matter what direction you went down it. You're always going to see something nice, whether or not it's a portfolio piece for photography is irrelevant. It's sort of all to do with getting out there and seeing what you can see and enjoying the outside. So we'll down to run up the path here and we'll check back in a minute or two. So I found a little composition here. I'm not sure, it'd be very nice in a sunrise with a wee bit more light on it, but the light on the rest of the land looks lovely. So you know what, we'll set up, we'll shoot it anyway, and we'll see what it looks like. I'll let you have a wee look at it in a second. Right, we're shooting a vertical orientation. Because I'm low down and fairly close to the rocks, I'm having to focus stack a little bit. Well, I'm also having to exposure blend because the highlights in the background and the darkness in the foreground but it won't mix together very well. But there's a great separation in the sea. Hold on, and I'll show you. There's a great separation in the sea. So there is. It'll be very easy to blend from straight across that there. I think it'll be a nice enough composition. I think it'll be nice. We'll shoot it a time or two. Oh, sorry. We'll shoot it a time or two more and give it a go and see what we think. And if the picture's any good, I'll flash it up on the screen. We're heading down to a little waterfall that runs into the sea. Now I know it's sort of down in here in the dark. I'm thinking of looking out towards the light. Fingers crossed it'll make for something nice when we're here. I would have went to it earlier on, but there was people having a picnic beside it, and it's sort of, you don't want to disturb the people because everybody has a right to be there and all that, but they're not much good in the picture for me. Although sometimes that can work as well, so it can give a little bit of dimension to the picture. I will run down here and see what it's like when we get there. Fingers crossed you can see me okay. That's where we were just a few seconds ago, over there on the rocks. That rock pool looking out towards Rathlin Island, Sheep Island, Ballintoy, all over in that direction. There's lots of styles along this path. It's a very nice wee walk. You have to be careful because it can be wet again underfoot even after a very dry day, and this bridge can be a bit rickety. This is my next composition. As you can see, the waterfall comes right down through and out to the sea. But I think I'm putting a lot of it out to try and catch a little bit of that sky. I know there's not much light on the water, but we're getting the flow of the water through and then the fantastic sky in the background. I'm hoping you can hear me okay over the sound of the water because it's fairly noisy here. So there's a pretty cool photograph, man. Fingers crossed it's going to turn out nice. I found another wee composition here. That's a river shoot. Just the colour of the sea when it's coming in. I'm not going to get a fast enough shutter speed to freeze the water, but I can make it blur through as it comes in. It's right up around my feet there really. Out the battery again in 2 seconds. Missing some good stuff. The sky is fantastic. We shouldn't have F11. ISO 64. We get 1/3 of a second, which is just enough to streak the water to keep the sky at the right sort of exposure without blowing too much of the highlights. Pretty chuffed with what we get. It's the kind of scene you can just keep on shooting and keep on shooting. And at some stage you have to be able to walk away. I think we'll wait for one more big one and then we're going home. I think that's it coming now. I think that's going to be it for tonight. The sky is amazing. You can stand here all night and just watch it. But at some stage you have to call it quits. I think we've got some pretty good stuff. I'll flash them up on the screen here, one after the other. Stick a wee mention in the comments and let me know what you think of them. Hit the like, the subscribe, all that type of stuff. This is only my maybe third video, I'm not even sure. Second video, third, fourth, but I'm not even sure. Something like that, so bear with me till I get it right. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cheers. Bye bye.